Pag pinanaulo ng encyclopedia.
Feeling nervous?
Send.
Okay. Miss Raimundo, here your question. What would you think is the main reason why CBCP or the Christian Bishop Catholic Parish cannot agree or can't agree using condom? Can I repeat? Do I need to spell it Tagalog? No need. Okay. Sa iyong palagay, ano kaya yung isang pinakamataas na dahilang antas? Bakit ang simbahang Katoliko ay lingid, di sang-ayon, ayaw sa paggamit ng kondom?
Ladies and gentlemen, first and foremost, allow me first to express my heart gratitude to all the people who are here tonight, the panel, the board of judges, to the contestants. Happy Valentine's for every one of us who are here tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, in my own perception regarding today's issue about the Catholic Bishop Conference, why they are not favor about using the so-called condom to be spread for individuals, because I genuinely believe that life is the most precious gift that we should treasure. According to the Bible, life is so precious that we should have to bear in our mind. Using condom is definitely controlling certain lives as individuals. They don't have any more the chance to give the other life. They do not have enough chance to born, to feel this wonderful creation of God. That's why, ladies and gentlemen, yun po ang nakikita ko pong dahilan kung bakit ayaw po ng simbahang Katoliko, kung bakit po ayaw nila ng kondom, dahil sa naniniwala sila na ang buhay ay mahalaga, come to the word and multiply ka nga, at yun po ang sinasabi ng ating Biblia. Marami pong salamat.
Very well said. Coming from contestant number 2, Miss Ina Raimundo.